Carnival Sunshine, room 7198. As we enter, we're filming the foyer. Nice little seating area, big mirror with lots of storage. Extra outlets. So, lots and lots of storage. Television.
I think our walls are wood and not metal. This is the patio light.
Shy. Outside.
Oh, we gotta open up these windows here.
Into the bathroom area. Big sliding closet. Ooh, those. The restroom. If I can find the light. How do you turn the light on?
Oh, there's garbage on it.
Not sure where the light switch is. Not quite sure where the light is, but I'll find that in a minute. But here's the outside view.
Welcome to Charleston, baby.
This is on the Carnival Sunshine. Your deck. Paddock chairs. Hey Deb, did you ever figure out how to turn that light on in the bathroom? Can you turn it on for me real quick? And here we go. Figured out how to get a light. It was a little delayed, but plug-in is down here. Big soaking tub. There we go, folks. This is cabin 7298 on the Carnival Sunshine. So here on the Sunshine, they have something called the Asian Kitchen. You pick your own things. And you get to choose these sauces and these meats. And they're done up fresh for you right here at YIYI's. Chicken? Teriyaki? Or soy. And this is on deck 9 aft, also where the Havana bar is.